What is scalping? Scalping, in the context of trading, refers to a short-term trading strategy where traders aim to make small profits from frequent and rapid trades. Scalpers typically execute numerous trades throughout the day, holding positions for very short periods, sometimes just seconds or minutes. The goal of scalping is to capitalize on small price movements in highly liquid markets, such as stocks, currencies, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. Scalpers rely on quick decision-making and use technical analysis tools to identify short-term trading opportunities. Due to the fast-paced nature of scalping, it requires a high level of skill, discipline, and risk management. It is not recommended for beginners or traders with limited experience, as it can be quite challenging and stressful. Additionally, scalping may involve higher transaction costs due to the frequency of trades, which can impact overall profitability. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. See you in the next video.